Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode of Nathan's 3D Factory, what I'm going to do is I am going to show you how to do a fluid simulation. This is going to be a great way to get started on doing that. It's been a long time since I've done fluid simulations. Usually I'm just modeling, but I wanted to show you simulation today. So right here, I'm going to use this as a domain object. A domain object is going to be a way that you're going to use fluids to get calculations on this, okay? So it's going to go all inside of this box. So what I want to do is I want to rename this cube to domain. I'm also going to do this so that it has the same name for the geometry here for the mesh data, right? So it's important to keep yourself organized. I know I don't always do it in every episode, but I'm going to for this. So that's one of the first things, okay? Next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to go into my physics panel, okay? And then I'm going to go to fluid. Now, one of the things that's changed over the years is that fluid types, they've actually really, they've changed over the years, right? So before it used to be that you just do fluids, that would just be liquids and that was it. Now you have gas, you have liquid, right? I'm going to do liquid for this one. So that'll be the first thing I do. And then I'm going to add another object. And this is going to be another cube. Now this one I'm going to put at 5. Now I'm going to have this object right here. I'm just going to move it up. GZ. Okay. Now I want this one also to be part of the fluids. So I'm just going to call this one fluid. Okay. I'm going to do a rename on this. And I just put that. There we go. Okay, and that, so it's fluid. All right, so this one now, I'm going to say fluid as well. This type, I'm going to make this as a flow. Now, flow type, I want to take from smoke to liquid. Okay. Then I want to turn this one on. I want to have this so it doesn't show up now. So I'll take that, and I'll just turn that off. That way, we can just focus on this object, the domain. So it's going to take that volume of that flow object, and then it's going to calculate from that. So now, if we were just to play the space bar, now you're going to start to see that now it's moving. Pretty sweet, isn't it? So just let that go until it reaches 250. So you can change the length of it. You can do all that stuff, right? So that way you have like just some of that stuff to play around with. So this is a very, very quick way on how to start doing fluid simulations. So you can also bake this. You have a cache that you go with. So there's a lot of stuff that I haven't seen for a long time because, like I say, I don't really do a whole lot of this, right? So, but once it goes through the entire thing, then you get to see it a little bit more easily. You get to see it real time, right? So, anyway, that is how you do stuff with fluids, right? So, I hope that this is informative for you. And I hope you learned something new with this and to start playing around with the fluids and having a good time with that, all right? Thank you so much for watching this episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you subscribe, put a like on this video so that we can keep this going and you know, keep bumping it up, and leave comments on this and thank you so much and have a great day.